What's up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy Taco. This video unfortunately is not going to be episode 3 of Inktober Challenge, not in October. We're going to save that for the next video, but I wanted to show you guys a behind the scenes / full video of me doing this TikTok. I wanted to do something a little different, so don't worry. I'm not going to be busting out these killer dance moves. Oh shit! I'm actually gonna be drawing this guy right here.
Yoshi!
Before we get into the video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that sub button, turn that bell on so you don't miss any future videos. Also give this video a nice thumbs up because I know you're gonna enjoy it. And drop a comment down below letting me know who your favorite Mario Kart character is. Or you can jump on over to Twitch while I'm live, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 9 p.m. Eastern, and let me know over there. What do you say we just jump into it? Hey, get out of here, cat. Thank you guys for watching till the very end. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that sub button and turn that bell on so you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, drop a comment down below with who your favorite Mario Kart character is. Or come on over to Twitch while I'm live. Those days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays. And let me know who your favorite character is over there.